Quicks, repair it yourself. Scratched and damaged leather surfaces are not only unsightly, they also lower your vehicle's value. But we can help. With Quicks Leather Repair Kit, you can repair damaged matte leather surfaces and refresh their look without resorting to an expensive visit to a workshop. Let's go. To begin with, apply adhesive tape around the damaged area to avoid marks on the adjacent areas. Now, wrap the sanding block with the 2000 grit sandpaper. Gently and carefully sand the affected area. Perfect. Apply some leather cleaner onto the microfiber cloth and clean the damaged spot. Now put your gloves on and apply some liquid leather onto the sponge. Dab affected area with the liquid leather until all scratches have disappeared. Leave it to dry for 1.5 hours. Apply a generous amount of leather sealer onto the microfiber cloth and rub the treated area thoroughly. Voila! Remove the adhesive tape. Perfect! Not only worn out materials, but also large cracks in leather can be easily repaired. Now, wrap the sanding block with the 2000 grit sandpaper. Gently and carefully sand the affected area. Perfect. Now, cut a suitable piece of felt backing material. Using the stick provided, carefully insert the felt backing material into the damaged area. Now put your gloves on. Fill the crack with the liquid leather and wipe off the surface. Leave it to dry for 1.5 hours. Apply some leather cleaner onto the microfiber cloth and rub the treated area thoroughly. Perfect. Apply a little more leather cleaner onto the sponge. Dab affected area with the sponge until all scratches have disappeared. Remove the adhesive tape. Leave it to dry for 1.5 hours. Once dry, apply a generous amount of leather sealer onto the microfiber cloth and spread it over the treated area. Perfect. Professional results on the cheap and the unbeatable feeling of having done it yourself with the professional do-it-yourself solutions by Quicks. We support you regarding other repairs as well. Just see for yourself. Quicks, repair it yourself.